In Município de Mariana and others versus BHP Group UK Limited and another, the court determined consequential costs matters following a Stage 1 trial judgment on liability for the Fundão dam collapse. The claimants sought £189 million in costs and a payment on account of £113.5 million. The defendants argued costs should be deferred until after Stage 2 or substantially reduced. Applying Weil versus Mean Fiddler Holdings Limited and Langer versus McEwen, the court held an immediate costs order for Stage 1 was appropriate, but limited to costs of that trial only. A 10% reduction was applied for issues lost. For the purpose of the payment on account, the court stripped out sign-up and collateral costs, applying Motto versus Trafigura Limited and Weaver versus British Airways plc, and made further adjustments for funding-related disbursements, arriving at a working figure of £80 million. A payment on account of £43 million was ordered, stayed pending appeal. Pre-judgment interest was awarded under Rule 44.26g. Permission to appeal was refused. Quote, "I start by acknowledging that this is very complex litigation. It has required dedicated work by many lawyers and experts for over 7 years, and there have been significant challenges for the disparate groups of claimants, many of whom live in rural areas of Brazil, in pursuing these claims in this jurisdiction. Notwithstanding those difficulties, the costs are extraordinarily high, and the level of detail provided very limited. It is noted that the costs will be subject to a detailed assessment in due course. But the paucity of information available to the court at this stage indicates that a very cautious approach should be taken to the broad brush assessment of the likely level of recovery of these costs, for the purpose of determining a payment on account."
For a detailed summary of this decision, visit tmclegal.co.uk.